Hello everyone, so if you want to enable and disable one-handed mode on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your settings, now scroll down to your additional settings, here find your one-handed mode, open it up, and now to enable this feature simply tap near the switch. To turn it on, we're to swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel, so do like this, and now you've got your one hand mode opened, and as you see it works nicely. To exit, simply tap right here at this blank space and it will be closed. To completely disable the mode, simply go back to the same settings, so settings, additional settings, one-handed mode, here it is, and simply tap on the switch to turn it off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.